In this video, I want to show you the two fuse box locations on your Hyundai Elantra from 2000 to 2006 model year. So the first one is in the cabin. Okay, this is the steering wheel, gonna go on the left. And gonna notice a small cubby, open it. You can store things, but you can also remove it by pulling it out. Don't worry, you won't break those hinges. And then the first fuse box is right over here. And what's nice is that Hyundai, on the cover of the panel I just removed, has a small diagram telling you which fuse is which. So it's very easy to know which one to replace, or yeah, quite nice. Now to put back this small panel, in case you're wondering how, you just need to align the hinges. It's a bit hard with one hand, I must admit. Okay, here we go. Just align, push, and it will work the same way. Now the second fuse box is under the hood, so let's go over there. So we are under the hood, and if we go on the right side, you're gonna find a fuse and relay box. Okay, you can take a screwdriver to open this small clip that is holding the door. Remove the panel, and same thing on the other side. You're gonna have all the informations about the fuses that are right over here. You also have relays. To put everything back, align it, give it a good tap, make sure it does not move, and you're good to go. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.